everybody, welcome to my channel. So, funny thing is, I parked on the other side of the parking lot because I feel like I always face towards the building, which is nice, and I always park like, if you guys kind of see, I always park like right here. And now I parked on the other side and there's people that park right next to me. It's like, seriously, I can't catch a break. So, Walgreens was awesome, you guys. Like, I got a lot of stuff, especially a lot of food stuff. I got a lot of variety of things. Now, I heard Christmas, some people were saying that Christmas is going to happen in February, and it's not. I heard Christmas is going to be hitting 90% off on January 13th. Now, don't guarantee it, but it will probably hit 90% off on January 13th. So today's the 10th. So Wednesday, possibly. Wednesday, we will see, but I'm fingers crossed that happens. I did get some stuff. Now, when they had the Christmas for 50% off, it was buy four, get the fifth one free. And I was going to see if they were going to do it, but they didn't. But my son is obsessed with Ryan's Toy Reviews, so I just got this for him now because I think this is a pretty good deal. These came out to be just $2.09 a piece, so I got them all four of them. I got them Gus. Did I get Gus? Yeah. Yeah, I got Gus. They don't have Gus? What? There's a fourth one that they didn't have Gus. Okay, but anyways, I got four of these. I didn't look and see if they had all Gus. And then I just got the balls. These are sensory balls, but the kids like playing like balls, so I thought, whatever. But for $2.08, I thought they were going to be buy four, get the fifth one free, but that does not happen. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. Now, I am going to share with you guys everything that I got. So yeah, so the Pringles, they had no sour cream Pringles. Like, what's up with that? My son is obsessed with sour cream, but I like cheddar, and now they have cheddar sour cream. So these were 3 for $4. You guys want to use $1 off a 3 digital coupon. You guys would just get these for $1 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. Usually Pringles is the way to go for $1. I mean, that's what it used to be back in the old days, is you get this for $1. And I think this is better than a bag of chips because these are not broken and all that stuff. So if you guys need that, go for it. I actually just redeemed my Kellogg's points. You guys can submit your points to the Kellogg's Family Rewards. And I got this like little Pringles holder, so then Ben can bring that to school, put his Pringles in there. I was just gonna say portion control. So yes, I ended up getting some Prego pasta sauce. You guys, I have so much sauce, it's ridiculous. I will be donating some because I have so much. But these were $2.99. They are buy one, get one free. So there is currently a 75-cent off a 2 coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com. You guys would just get this for $2.24 or $1.12 a piece. So if you guys need some sauce, go ahead and do that. My store is finally stocked up on cereal, so I thought, let's change it up a bit. Let's get some Cocoa Puffs. So these are $1.88 a piece. You guys want to use $1 off of 2. There might be a digital, there might be a printable. I got some from our inserts. There's some that came out, I think, today's inserts, or last week's inserts. But anyways, you guys would pay $2.76 after that $1 off 2 coupon, and you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I thought I was going to get 750 points, but it didn't catch it. Or it did catch it, but it just didn't get me that point, so I don't know, but I'm still not complaining. But $2.76 is a pretty decent deal if you guys need some cereal. Now, there is currently a 50-cent off a 2 Snickers coupon to print. I was going to do that, and then I saw that I had a digital for $1 off. So you guys want to buy 2 of these for 89 cents. Use that $1 off a 2 digital coupon. You guys would get these for 78 cents or just 39 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. If you guys have some hankering for some of the, what was it called? Candy. Jif peanut butter, you guys. I have so much peanut butter. It's crazy. But you know what? Let's get some more. Anyways, the Jif peanut butter is 2 for $4. There is 50-cent off printable coupons from coupons.com. Plus there was some digitals. And then when I scanned it, I had a 50-cent off digital and I had a 75-cent off digital. So it depends on what you guys have. If you guys have the 2 50 cents, one printable, one digital, or 2 printables, whatever, you guys would just get these for $3 or $1.50 a piece. But if you guys have that 75-cent and a 50, it comes out to be just $2.75. But you know what? Peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter. Awesome. I ended up getting Ricola. I don't know why, but these were 2 for $4. There is currently a $1 off of 4 digital coupon. You guys would pay $3 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 off of 2 rebate with checkout 51. I just remembered I forgot to do my breakdown for that. So you guys would get a $1 off of 2 rebate from checkout 51, making these $2 or just $1 a bag. I've never, my whole entire couponing, I've never gotten Ricola, so that's a first. That is a first. Now, I got the Snuggle. I love this product. I got the Snuggle fabric softener. Now, these were $2.88, okay? There is currently a $1 off digital coupon where you guys will get this for $1.88. And then I scanned the all product and the digital did not pop up. I could have scanned the other ones, but I'm like, I like Snuggle, my personal preference. But then I also had, this is all dirty. I also had a $1.50 off digital coupon. So depending on what you guys have, you would either pay $1.88 or $1.38. So I got both because I love Snuggle. So I ended up getting that. This is all dirty in the front. I gotta wipe that off. Didn't see that when I was grabbing it off the shelf. Okay. The next items we got are... Okay, the next item I got is the Poise and the Depends deal. Now this is an all-month deal, depending on what you guys want, but these are $5.99. You guys want to use a $3 off digital, printable, or insert coupon that we got from last week. Plus there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for 99 cents. I also scanned my Fetch Rewards receipt, and I got 2,500 points, which is equivalent to $2.50 back, which I got. I don't know if it was a spend deal or something, or I think it was spend 15 between like my haul that I got last week and this week. I got $2.50 for points, or yeah. So got that in case you guys need to get any of those items. I got, let's get a see. Okay, I ended up getting, some of my stuff fell out, so I gotta grab it. I ended up doing the Crest deal. Now the Crest deal was $3.99. I had a $1 off digital coupon for this one and a $1 off digital coupon for this one. You guys would get... Where did I write this down? You guys would pay $5.98 for this, but then you get $5 cash rewards. You don't get a register reward, you get $5 in points. So this would be just come 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. Now I always say don't pay for toothpaste, but you know, I want to share with you guys because some people really need that stuff and are willing to pay 50 cents. Towards normal people who don't coupon, pay like $3-4 for this. So why not, you know? So I got that. I also did the Colgate toothpaste. Now this deal was $2.99. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got from our inserts. You guys would pay $3.98 for this, but then you guys will get a $4 register reward for buying 2 of these. These come out to be just absolutely free, so if you guys need to do that. And then I did this one. My in-laws really like this stuff, so I always get this stuff for them. But these were $4.99, and there's currently a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would pay $6.98, but then you'll get a $6 register reward when you buy 2 of these. Comes out to be just 98 cents. So like I said, it might be cheaper other ways, but in case you guys need something, go for it. Now this is a deal that ends very soon, like today, if you guys can do this. I ended up doing the Dove deal. Now I bought 4 of these. These are currently $4.99. They are buy one, get one 50% off. Then there was a tag underneath that where if you bought 3 of them, you would get $3 cash, okay? So, what happens is $4.99, buy one, get one 50% off. You buy 4 of them. You want to use 3 off of 2 coupons that we got from our inserts last week. You guys would end up paying $8.97. But you can get a $1 rebate, a $1 rebate, a $1 rebate, and a $1 rebate. You get $4 back from Ibotta for buying that. And you guys will get $3 cash rewards. Comes out to be just 97 cents or just 24 cents a bottle. So if you guys have that rebate deal, do it right away. I think it ends like in the middle of the night tonight. So definitely go ahead and do that. I did some vitamins, you guys. My store only had one of these, and then as I was shopping, I found another section, but that's okay. I want my kids to start maybe taking some chewables. I mean, don't you guys remember taking the chewable Flintstone vitamins when we were kids? I do. If you were born in the 80s and grew up in the 90s, you guys would know. But anyways, these were $8.99. They are currently buy one, get one 50% off. I used one digital and one printable coupon. There might be some in your inserts. I didn't get anything. But you guys would pay $5.48, or you guys would get this for $5.48 or $2.74. So not the greatest deal, but I think for vitamins, it's a pretty decent deal for kids. And you guys will get points for fetch rewards for this if you guys get that. I also got the Gillette razors. Now the Gillette razors were $9.79 and this one was $8.29. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys buy both of them. There is a $4 off digital coupon and a $4 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would pay $5.93 for this, but then you guys will get $4 in cash rewards, so it comes out to be just $1.93. So if you guys need to do that, go for it. And I did use register rewards from last week, and I used it towards this purchase, and I still got my points. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. I do have another one of these bottles somewhere in here. Yeah, right here. So these were 2 for $8. I think this is an all-month deal. 2 for $8. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 printable coupon. There's some in your inserts. Plus there is a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for $1 a piece. So if you guys need to stock up on that, go for it. Now this deal I'm excited for. The coupon reset for $2 and I was going to get it. And then as she was scanning this item, a Catalina just printed off. Now, technically it did print off before you guys made your transaction, and you guys can use it. So I got a $3 Catalina that printed off that I used towards this purchase. Otherwise there is a $2 off digital or a $2 off printable, whatever you guys want to do. But my son or my husband's gonna be very happy because I've been just stocking up on Rolaids, and this stuff's gonna last him at least 3 years because he usually takes one a day. But this was, where did I write this down? Seriously, I wrote it down somewhere. How come I'm not finding it? I know these were $5. I did not write it down. I did not. How did I not write that down? Anyways, the Rolaids are $5.99. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon that we have that's printable. There might be a digital. Plus there's a $2 off coupon that you guys can use in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would just get this for $1.99. But if you use that $3 off Catalina, you'll get this for just 99 cents. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So if you guys want to do that, only one Catalina prints off. So if you guys need to do multiple transactions to do that deal, definitely go ahead and do it. So that was my haul. I was actually pretty excited. I got some decent stuff. I got a variety of stuff, which I was happy about. My total came to $28.35. I ended up getting $4.25 back with Ibotta. And I think I was gonna get 10, and I got $10 back in, I had to buy 2 more items and I would gotten $10. So I got $14.25 back with Ibotta. For fetch rewards, I got 2,672 points in one transaction and 127 points in another transaction, which is equivalent to $2.79. I received $10 in register rewards. I got $12.78 in points, and then I forgot to submit my receipt, but I will be getting $1 back with checkout 51, making it a $12.47 moneymaker. Otherwise it was going to be $2.40 moneymaker. So if you guys need some stuff, definitely go ahead and do it. I needed 36 items to get 10 points, and then when I went to Walmart the other day, I saw that they had that bonus up and I didn't get anything. Well, then when I opened up the app the other day, it said that it did qualify for it. So I just needed 2 more rebates to hit that $10 mark. But otherwise, that was my haul, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I loved it. I had a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys all next week, or I will possibly see you for a 90% off haul. We will see, but I will see you guys later. Bye-bye. The the Chips Ahoy are on sale for 2 for $6, not the Oreos like I thought. But they are 2 for $6. We currently have a 75-cent off a 2 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $5.25, but there is a rebate in Checkout 51 where you guys get $1 back. So you guys will get these for $3.25, which comes out to be just $1.62 if you guys need some Chips Ahoy cookies.